3. How are you? Good? Everything is fine? Alhamdulillah. This is Mustafa is talking to you and greeting you all, saying that she is missing you all, right? So let's revise our lesson, our last lesson together. We were talking about writing a paragraph, right? And we said that if we need or if we want to write or if we want to describe something or if we want to talk about one topic, we have to write a paragraph. And we said that paragraph is a group of sentences joined together, right? Also, we talked about there are some things we do not have to forget when we write a paragraph, okay? So we did our own paragraphs. Most of you, they did their own paragraphs. They wrote their character description and they sent it to me in the messages, okay? Hope that the rest can do the same, okay? After we finish writing our paragraphs, or after we finish writing our piece of writing, okay, we have to revise what we wrote. We have to do what? Revise or edit. Why do we have to do that? To make sure that everything is correct and nothing is wrong and we did not do any mistake when we write this, okay? So there are some things we have to check it after writing our paragraph, okay? This thing is called, or they put together in the word cups for editing, okay? CUPS, or sometimes it can be COPS. What does it mean, cups? To revise or to edit our writing. Yeah, we will just know the meaning of this word, cups. The first letter is C. C stands for what? C stands for capitalization. We do not have to forget the capitalization in our paragraph. When we write, we have to take care about the capitalization. What is a capitalization? Let's read it together here. Capitalization means to make the first letter of a word a capital letter. As in the A in the word Alabama. Capitalization is used when you want to show the reader that a word is of special importance. You can just start capitalizing any words. However, you have to follow the rules. Okay, that means capitalization has some rules. Like what? There are some rules we have to follow it when we capitalize the word. Here we have Captain Capital. Okay, when do we use capital letters at the beginning? The first one, when the letter I. When we find the letter I in the middle of the sentence, we have to write that I in a capital letter. Number 2, when it's a beginning of a sentence. Yes, of course, at the beginning of a sentence, we have to start it with a capital letter. Number 3, when it is name of people, places, and holidays. Do you remember year 3? Before we go or before the break of the corona, okay, we took a lesson about the noun, proper noun, and we said all the proper noun should start with capital letters, even if it's in the middle of the sentence, okay? Number 3, all months, month of the year, days of the week, they have to start with capital letters, okay? The last thing is titles of books, games, programs, or people. All these, when we find them, we have to start them with capital letters, okay? There are another rules here. The same pronoun I, in the middle we have to turn it in a capital letter immediately. Beginning of a sentence, of course, month of the year, days of the week, names of people or thing, or names of places. All these things we have to start them with capital letters. This is the first letter of cups. Okay, this is U. How about this is C? Sorry, this is C. How about U? U means what? U, it can be for, or it stands for usage or understand. Okay, U. Is it good or is it correct? This sentence, is it correct? Okay. Anybody can understand it when they read it. Okay, this is the usage. Match nouns and verbs correctly. When you put a noun and the verb together, are they correctly together here? Okay, so this is the U. We have to also the edit or the revise the usage of our sentence, or is it correct or not? This is U. All right, so this is C, U. How about P? P stands for what? P stands for, yes, punctuation marks. Punctuation marks. Also, we talked a lot about the punctuation marks. We said that we use punctuation marks at the end of our sentences. What are punctuation marks? They are just like what? They are like question mark. When we have a question, we put at the end a question mark. Okay. Or a full stop. We use it when it is a normal sentence. We put a full stop at the end, or an exclamation mark. Okay. We use it when the sentence shows us feeling. Okay. Number 1 here, they said the car is red. What do we put at the end here? Of course, we are going to put a full stop. Yes, because it's a normal sentence. Number 2, where is the dog? Yeah, somebody's asking, where is the dog? This is a question. We have to put a question mark. Number 3, I love ice cream. Yes, this is feeling. Yeah, we put an exclamation mark. Number 4, what time is it? This is a question mark. Number 5, you are great. This is feeling, okay? So we put an exclamation mark. Number 6, cats like milk. This is a normal sentence. It's a statement. We just put at the end a full stop, okay? So we do not forget punctuation marks at the end of our sentences when we write our own paragraph, okay? So this is, again, C stands for what? Yeah, capitalization. U stands for usage or understanding. Yes, this is you. P stands for punctuation marks. Yes, the marks that we use at the end of our sentences. So the last one is here, S. What do you think S stands for? Yes, S stands for the spelling. Spelling. We have to revise our spelling. Is our spelling correct or not? Okay. From where exactly we have to check our spelling? From the resource, our main resource. What is our main resource for spelling? Of course, it's going to be a dictionary. A dictionary. Yes, okay. So we have to make sure that all these things are revised and edited in our paragraphs. C stands for capitalization. Do we use capital letters in our paragraph? U stands for usage or understanding. Is our sentence clear or anybody can understand it? Sorry. P stands for punctuation marks. Good. The last one is spelling, checking our spelling. This is the last point, okay? So again, here we have another picture for our cups. C, capital letters. Have you used capital letters? You have to ask yourself these questions after writing your own paragraph, okay? You, understanding. Does it make sense? Anyone can understand it when read it, okay? P, punctuation. Have you used full stop, comma, speech marks, or quotation marks? Okay, we will know it. But now we have an exclamation mark, then question mark. Okay, the last thing is here, the spelling. Does it look right? We have to check also our spelling. Okay, here we have the last picture again. C, capitals. U, understanding. Punctuation. P, punctuation. S, spelling. All right, is it clear? This is the end of our lesson. Hope that you enjoy this video. If you have any question, let me know or send it to me. I am here to answer all your questions. Thank you so much. Bye.